In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can I edit category of an existing blog post in Zoho Sites? If you've ever published a post under the wrong category or reorganized your blog structure, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to change a post's category inside Zoho Sites. Categories help readers find related content and keep your blog tidy, so it's worth taking a moment to set them correctly. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Zoho Sites homepage. When the page loads, look for the Sign In option, typically at the top right. Click that to reach the login screen. Here, choose the option to continue with Google, then select your Google account to authenticate. If you normally sign in using a different method, that's fine too. Use your usual credentials and proceed. Once you're in your Zoho Sites dashboard, open the specific website you want to manage. If you handle multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one so your changes apply to the right place. Inside the Site Builder, find the Blog section. Click Blog to access your blog tools and settings. You may see another blog area within the interface. Go ahead and click that as well to reach the area where posts and preferences are managed. This brings you into the place where post level settings can be adjusted. Within the blog editor for your post, locate Post Preferences. This panel collects key options for the post. Look for the Category field. To update the category, click the drop-down next to Category and choose the category that best fits your content. This instantly reassigns the post to the selected category, which helps with navigation and any category-based filters you're using on your site. If you don't see the category you need, select Add Category. Enter a clear, concise name that matches your blog's structure, then confirm. The new category will be added to your list and you can assign your post to it right away. Consistent naming makes it easier to manage content later, so choose names that reflect the topics your audience looks for. That's all you need to do to edit the category of an existing blog post in Zoho Sites. Sign in, open your site, head into the blog area, access post preferences in the post editor, pick the correct category from the drop-down, and create a new category when necessary. With these quick adjustments, your blog stays organized, your readers can filter content more easily, and your site's structure remains clean and logical.